Hey guys, Mara here. I'm going to show you how to get a perfect natural glow using the new Flawless Lumière Foundation. So I'm going to start out by prepping her skin using the foundation primer hydrating. This primer smooths out fine lines and imperfections, giving the skin a softer and more luminous glow. And it really holds the foundation in place. I'm going to now apply the new Flawless Lumière Radiance Perfecting Foundation. To apply the new foundation, I'm going to use the new Flawless Finish Makeup Sponge, and this has a beautiful S-curve here, which really hugs the contours of the face. And this sponge is really nice to use. It goes into little fine areas, such as the corners of the nose, around the lips, and it actually hugs beautifully right around the hollows of the cheeks here as well. And it really looks luminous no matter what light that you're in. Now I want to set the foundation, but I still want to keep the luminous glow to the skin, so I'm going to use the new Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. And I'm just going to apply it lightly to set the foundation, but to keep this gorgeous luminous glow to the skin. Now that I've set the face, I'm going to add some more glow using the face illuminator in the shade Inspiration. I'm going to have her smile and apply it right to the apples of the cheeks and going upwards towards the temples. And this illuminator is a beautiful rosy tone and a very universal shade. Actually goes beautifully on all skin tones. If you like a more intense highlight, you can use the Caviar Stick in Vanilla Kiss, and then you can go over it with the face illuminator to really intensify it.